Hello. Yes, I'm Brian Knight from Melbourne, Australia, and I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a. I'm in the throes of some forex fast trading, so I thought I'd show you what was happening. If you wanted to have a look, I don't know, it's up to you. So let me just share this screen. Yeah. I'm over here at the moment. This is Euro JPY. I've got, what have I got? It's down 6 pips. It's interesting. This CAD JPY here. I'll just go. This is like a daily chart. I've been on this for like 7 days. It's just started to come into positive pips, which is really cool. Anyway, we'll go back to this Euro JPY, and you'll see this is the 1 minute chart there with it going up, and you can see this was going up at the same time. It's now turning to come back down again. So that's what I'm looking for. That's really interesting. If I go to the AUD JPY, it's doing a similar thing, and the CAD JPY is also doing a similar thing. Might be sitting at the top there, but it looks like it's starting to come down now. You can see it's got a downward trend happening there. So what's that, CAD JPY? I might just go there. CAD JPY. We might just turn that one into a 15-minute. There, yeah, that's starting to sort of, you can see CAD JPY starting to pull down there nicely, and it's still going. And this is, it may be a little bit longer, we'll see. Euro JPY starting to come down, which is good. And the AUD. Actually, what I'll do is I'll probably put that's a sell trade on that one. So I'll put a sell trade on there. And the AUD JPY, I'll do that one as well. I think I'll put a sell on that as well at the same time. There they are. Yeah. And I'll just put well, that one's already gone positive already. I'll put -10 on that one. And I'll put a take profit, maybe 5 pips or something. We'll see how we go. Probably get more than that. But I can go back in and get another trade out of it if I want to. And that one's already, see, they're already started to go positive. Oh, I've already done that one. Oh, that one. Oh, that was already in there too. 10 with a 5. Oh, it's the AUD JPY I haven't done. -10 on that one. Let's take 5 pips. So just looking at them there. Yeah, so if I go back over to the Euro JPY, it sort of did a little bit of an up. Now it's coming back down. You can see this little dip in here on the 1 minute. This is also 2 on the, so it's starting to downtrend here. On the MACD perspective. Sorry, I'll keep looking over here because I've got a big screen set up, 43-inch with it set up here, and I can just have a look and see what's going on at any time. So I thought I'd just get in. Oh yeah, up 1, up 0.7. That's good. That one up there is a longer term. As I said, that's been in there for 7 days and it's coming around. These are just quick ones I'm doing at the moment. So if I do, just today's stuff, it's like I've lost a couple there, but that's okay. But these are 2 5-pippers that I've got just, within 20 minutes. So now I'm looking at this as it turns. You got this coming, it's doing a bit of up and down, but it's because the 1 minute's coming back there on that. But that's going to start going down trending. It's done a little pull up there, and then it'll hopefully continue back down because the 5 minute and the 15 minute time analysis is actually starting to go down. You can see the fires pointing down. The one's gone down, coming back up, and then we'll see how that, whether it turns back down again. What's happening on the CAD? The CAD's doing exactly the same thing. Yeah, and you can see over here on the 15-minute chart, it's sort of up near the top and looking at, and there's a wick either end. So that's sort of making it a bit of indecision there. So hopefully the indecision turns into sell, which will just have to wait a little bit more. What have we got? AUDs there, still sitting there ready to pull down. There's another knee on the 1 minute. What's it got? 30 seconds to go, 27. Yeah, it's pulling back down there a bit. Euro JPY, that's dragging down there. That's good. Just want to see it. See how it's sort of sitting across the top there on this fast indicator? Just goes across the top and then starts to pull back down again. So as it was going up, you'll see this uptrend there. And now you'll see it's starting to go down, got this downtrend. It's doing a little bit up. That's okay. Because that 1 minute's coming back. When it hits the top and starts going back down again, it'll start getting some sell candles on it again. So that's that. And look, I could get in a bit later, but the point is you'll lose, potential of not gaining quite as many pips. So, I just hope you find this a little helpful to see. I mean, some people might go, oh my gosh, this is all complicated and it's all busy and there's too much happening. I see that down and it's done a little up and then it'll come back down again. All the charts, you do the same thing, up. Now it's starting to come back down again now on the CAD JPY. Yeah, that's good. So down a few pips on, but that's okay. They'll come back around. You've got to have, plus also too, the spread on them is, like when you get into a trade, you're always going to be slightly negative at the start because you're paying the broker commission right at the start of the trade before it gets in there. So yeah, that's starting to come down now. Oh, there my alerts coming up there. So it tells me what to go and look at. So that's how I've got them set up. Yeah, see, this is nicely pushing down now. This is good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Rid of that one too. Just like I'm busy in these trades, so I'm not going to go look at something else while I'm in a couple of trades at the moment. See if we go back here. So you're starting to pull, some are starting to pull back into positive again now. Go back and have a look at them. Yeah, that one's going all the right way now, and we can see the downtrend occurring. So the sell is losing a bit of momentum, but it's okay, it's going down. That's starting to turn there. Get rid of those. Starting to go down, that's good. And the euro, it's going a little sideways, but I'm fine with that because I can see that starting to go down there now. CAD JPY, woohoo! Yes, that is good. We're seeing a nice downtrend there. There's that. Fantastic. What you can hear is just my little alerts that I have when I'm on in trading. And so what happens is sometimes when these things come up, like all of them are starting doing the same thing. This is, look at that. There's the US dollar and the Japanese yen starting to push down there now. It was up the top too. That might be a good trade to get in as well at the moment, I think. Yeah. Euro JPY, yeah, that's coming out of there and pushing down there. That's good. Let's go back here. Yep. Starting to all go in the right direction. Thank you very much. That's what you want. Look at this one, up 2 pips already. That's coming down, that's going up. Yeah, we want it's just these 3 I'm doing. Actually, I'm looking at that USD JPY. That looks like a trade to get into at the moment too. So I might just do that. USD JPY. There it is on the 15. I think we could get in on a sell on that one too. I'll just do that. Yep. That's how quick it is on when you're using this C trader. I'll just put in a little stop loss on it as well. This is all just safety stuff that you put in place and if I get 5 pips out of that, that'd be great. It might be more, it might move a whole lot more. But you know, we'll just see how it goes. This is a part of trading. It's always ups and downs, like up, bit of down, up, bit of down, up, bit of down. You know, this is where you need to have the guts or the fortitude to be able to stay with the trades while you're in there. I mean, I've been in this now for nearly 2 years, and you know, you start to really get a feel for what's going on when you get into this Euro JPY. It's not going. That's not going. The AUD JPY is coming down much quicker than what the Euro JPY is. That's okay. GBP, that's already, it didn't make it to the top. I wasn't going to sort of get into that one. I've already got pips out of that anyway. I got 5 pips. NZD JPY, that would probably be all right to get into as well. That's starting to come down now too. And that trend is real down. It's, yeah. Anyway, I won't. I don't want to get into too many. I just want to show you an example. This is also too, whoa, ones, that's good. CAD JPY, yes. And the USD JPY are all starting to turn down now. That's good. And so, yeah. Anyway, once you got things set up and some alerts happening, it's pretty easy to sort of get into this. And look, I have to say here, it's like make sure that you are demoing in a demo account to start with. You need to be successful at this. You need to practice. You need to look at the patterns that occur. And then basically, when you've got those patterns, you can do shorter term ones like I'm doing here and showing you with the fast. Or there's also 2 longer term ones that you can do with 4 hourly or day charts to get pips out of that. But the thing is, you can get more pips out of a daily one and get the same profits as getting 5 pips or 10 pips out of a 20-minute or a half-hour trade. And that's the sort of things you learn once you get into the education and join. So, yeah, that's coming down nicely on that AUD JPY. Let's have a look and see. Oh, yeah. Greens. Beauty, that's what we want. And of course, you got to know, you have these retracements and then you have these back and forwards. And I just wanted to I was wondering if I stay here and see if I can, there's just number of pips here. There's no money value as such. So, and I can tell you now, I'm for this demo, for this demonstration for you, I'm using a demo account and I'm only trading at 0.01. I'm not worrying about any money management stuff, which you'd learn anyway when you incorporate. So, yeah, see that? Down, little up, down, little up, get another drop. It's just zigzags. That's what all this trading is. Just being able to see all the zigzags. Yeah, that's coming down too. I'm not in that, not in that. I'm in this one. That's good. That's, down, up, down, up. As long as it's going in that downward direction, which this MACD is showing me this downward direction going on here. See these 2 lines and that, and then you've got this red volume, which is saying it's in a sell at the moment. So this is 15 minutes. So you got 15 1-minute candles to make up one 15-minute candle over here. And look, I've got other things on here that I understand you don't need to. And it's basically, it's pretty cool being able to do this sort of stuff. And it's pretty cool to be able to show you what's going on as well. See it doing this little turn up here, which is getting a little green candle. And then you'll see a little turn and down it'll come and start going further down. Yeah, and over here you're seeing this one turning and coming down as well. So for this to go from here down is like this one needs to travel all the way down here too. So Like where I was like there, I didn't show you up. Oh, if you can see across, you know, there where it started to go up is actually here where it started to go up. Now this going down is basically that little turn piece is just as it turned is really this turn down. So, that's good. There's a new candle. Yep, that's pushing down now. That's great. That's what we want. It shows me with this red bar up here that, you know, that's going to be a sell. This is a potential little buy, but it's not, and it's back into that sell. So it's not worth getting into a little bit, particularly for this. That's probably only half a pip or one. It's, you want to stay in the trade and get this longer term trade going down. So yeah. Oh, so Garrett, where do I get them on? What I'm looking at here is what's called TradingView. So I actually pay a subscription to TradingView because I can only use this fast indicator on TradingView. But I don't know if anybody's interested, but I can do some videos on how to set this all up and be able to do it. But you really need to subscribe to be able to get this information. This Fast 33 is just amazing. It's like, it's only about a week brand new. And we've been doing training on it and that. So it's just like having a crystal ball and seeing what's going to happen in the market. Like, I don't know if any of you have looked and you've gone like, oh my gosh, what is happening? Like that was me 2 years ago. What is going on? Now at least you can actually see what's happening. See that turn up there, that little turn up there going? That's what's giving you that green candle. Yeah. Now, as it'll turn because that white one's coming out of there. It'll turn back down again. What are we on AUDs? Let's go to the CAD JPY. See, it's doing a similar thing. This is a different currency pair, still with Japanese yen in it. Let's look at the euro. See, doing the same thing on the euro JPY, getting a little bit of a bounce up. Yeah. It's okay. We can handle that because it goes. Now we'll look at it coming back down again. Yep. See, look at the push down. Boom, boom, boom. It's like getting that patience as a, yeah. No worries, Garrett. And you can reach out if you want, and we'll talk about how you can do that. Yeah, just, or, you know, whoever introduced you to the group is probably into this group, or, you know, whoever introduced you, like it was me, great. If someone else, just get back to them. They can help you out with this sort of stuff if you want. Yeah. So yeah, that's a nice set. Still pushing, even though that white's going up and down, and still going in a downward direction. That's what we want. AUD JPY, woohoo! Loving it. Love the push down. More push down. See how this is coming back down now? You're starting to get on a 15-minute candle down. This is starting to push down. Lovely. Let's go back here. Oh yeah. Greens. Oh, what do we got? One has history. Whoa. There, AUD JPY closed out with 5 pips. We didn't even see it. It's like it just took a bang. Let's have a look. That's really cool. Yeah, see, from there to there, bang. And these are all sells, so that just shows you, yeah, got 5 pips out of that. Gee, how long did it take me? I don't know. We've only been on for, I'm not sure, 10 minutes maybe or something. There's 5 pips. So you got to remember, 10 pips will make what will set you free. 10 pips a day is financial freedom. And what have I got in here already up? There's 5, 10, there's 15 out of one, you know, about an hour. 2.93. Let's see how these go. CAD JPY, where are we? Go over here and have a look. My CAD JPY, oh no, push down a little bit. Let's see how that goes. Let's see if that comes back up. We'll go over to TradingView and have a look. Nope, still pushing down. That's good. Wow, look at that push down there. There's even volume in that sell. That's great. Red bars coming up here. Just extra confirmation. Push, push. Yay. Down she goes. 20 seconds left of that one. Where are we? We're not on a euro, are we? Yeah, we're on euros. Yeah, that's still coming out. It's just slower. You can see this is just not, it's not got the push, but it's still in the right direction. That's what we want. Still want that. CAD, JPY still pushing down. 3.5, 2.9, that's what we want. 3.7, see, so we're on CAD JPY, it's pushing down now. It'd be great for you to see it close out a trade at 5 pips. I mean, I can't orchestrate these things, of course. This is just what's happening live. And this is basically just in the middle of my day. So today's Friday and it's about midday nearly. And just where I live. So this is, you know, me just sitting down for an hour and grabbing 15 so far. Let's see if we can get a few more. That's pushing. I'm going to go back here and have a look and see. Oh yeah, see how it's done a little pull up there? It's going to come back down though. That's 15 minutes is still, that's got a lot more to push there. Bit of patience, just a bit of patience. And you're in JPYs. Yeah, see it's sort of leveled off. I'm going to see it hopefully push back a bit. That's less angle here than if you see on the CAD. See how that's a much steeper angle going down here. Anyway, it's just me showing you a few things of what's happening. That CAD's coming back up, yeah. Playing with us at the moment. But you've just seen before. It goes up, it goes down. We just wait for it to push back down a bit further. Yeah, already got USD JPY. Oh, I haven't gone to see that. What's happening there? Hang on. Oh yeah, that's all right. That's pushing down nicely too. See the angle there of the trend? See that's happening? Oh, more alerts. I haven't got time to go and look at those guys. I'm just focusing on these trades at the moment as they pull down there. Whoa, that was a nice drop. That was a couple of pips in there. That's on USD JPY. Back to the CAD JPY. Yeah, that's pushed back down again a bit. Euro JPY. Ooh, still. See how the angle of this is sort of like the angle of that? Where if you go to the CAD JPY, see the angle steeper there and you get a steeper angle up here in the currency, so it drops down harder. Yeah, still only 2 or 3 pips. Anyway, you saw one of them. I showed you one of them just pushed into profit within minutes. So I think that's about, I don't want to take up a lot of your time, but I just thought it was important while things were happening in the market just to show you what's going on. Anyway, if you're interested at all in this, I mean, you're in this financial freedom group, and this is what this is about. It's about having financial freedom and a lifestyle that you may want. That's up to you. This is the vehicle. This is the vehicle that can give you that financial freedom and that lifestyle that you're looking for. So just reach out to the person that introduced you to this group, or just put a note down and I can get back to you or whatever. Yeah. So remember, there's a compounding interest on this. If you have a $5,000 account and you get 10 pips per day for 2 years, it's worth 2.8 million at the end of that time. If you want to know how, it's just maths. That's all it is, just maths. So I'll keep watching these and grab the 10 pips when they come up, or 5 pips each of those two. So I'll see you next time. Take it easy, and thanks for watching me. I'm Brian Knight from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm well on my road to financial freedom and the lifestyle that I'm wanting it to be. All right, no problems. Ciao. I'll just stop sharing and stop streaming into the group. See you later, guys. Bye.